Everyone has days when energy feels low and motivation is hard to find. Staying consistent during these moments can be challenging, but it is possible. Here are simple, effective ways to keep moving forward even when you feel tired or unmotivated. First, accept that low energy days are normal. Nobody feels their best all the time. Recognizing this helps reduce frustration and keeps you from giving up completely. Instead of expecting perfection, aim for progress. Even small steps count. Next, break your tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. When energy is low, a big project can feel overwhelming. Divide it into tiny parts. Focus on completing just one small task at a time. This makes work feel easier and less stressful. Also, prioritize your most important tasks. Identify what really needs to be done today. Focus on high-impact actions that move you closer to your goals. Skip or postpone less urgent work if needed. This helps conserve energy for what matters most. Another helpful strategy is to use time blocks. Set a timer for short periods like 15 or 20 minutes and work with full attention during that time. After the timer ends, take a short break. This technique keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. Remember to listen to your body. If you are truly exhausted, allow yourself a brief rest or relaxation. Sometimes a short nap, deep breathing, or a quick walk can recharge your energy. Self-care is important for long-term consistency. Staying hydrated and eating healthy snacks can also improve energy levels. Avoid heavy meals or too much caffeine, which can cause crashes later. Small changes in nutrition support your focus and stamina throughout the day. Finally, remind yourself why you started. Think about your goals and the progress you have made so far. Visualizing success can boost motivation and help you push through difficult moments. In summary, staying consistent on low-energy days is about adapting to how you feel, breaking work into small steps, focusing on priorities, using time blocks, caring for your body, and keeping your goals in mind. Even when energy is low, small actions add up and keep you moving forward. Consistency is built day by day no matter how you feel. Keep going and you will see results.